Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines. Hey, what we happen to have here is what we don't build a lot of, but again, we build them all. This is a 350 Chevy engine. It was a 420 horsepower build with a nice small cam in here and with all the good right pieces in it, all good stuff, MSD, Holley, Eagle rotating assemblies, comp cam shafts. This thing made 458 horsepower at 55, and that's all we pulled it to was 55. And torque was 470 right off the get-go and right on through the RPM band. If you're looking for one of the best engine builders in the country, you're looking at them right here. Give us a call. We'll be happy to build anything you like. Become one of the family. Peace.